do you want to have your cars or motorcycles under the shade? So if you have a regular house, I'm going to show you how you can do this very easily for a few dollars. So in this, now I'm going to show you how I have it here on the roof. So what you're going to need is one of those kits. So I'll show you maybe later. I have a roll. Is 500 feet, but if you want to buy something even a little bit longer, that will be better. So as you can see, everyone is having a AC on the roof here. And what you can do is you can buy the unit struts. For instance, I had this laying around already, so I put it here and I made a hole here. You see on this side of the AC. I know there is no pipelines or anything like that. And if you see on the other side, you're going to see the same thing. So in this case, you have to make sure that you have the radiator here. So when I made the hole, I made it, just in this area where you have nothing. So make sure that you don't damage that. Other than that, I put this one. This is made of aluminum, so it's very, very light. And I bought a regular one that I put it just here. I use a pipe clamp, as you can see here, so to keep it together. And I did the same thing in the other end. So all you need is these hooks that you see here, so that way you can twist it and you're going to be able to adjust the length a little bit. So if you want to make it tighter or not. So at least for now, it seems to be good. And if you, again, what I did is I installed two. So I have one here, it's 8 feet or 10 feet, and the other side, if you see the joint in the other side, so I have the other one, and one piece of 10 feet here. I'm going to try to get another one like this, but 20 feet, so that way it's not going to bend that much. So it's bending a little bit, but not that much. And as you can see here, I put the clamp. We're good. And here I put the screw, and I'm going to show you in the other side, so that way you can see. And we are good here. So I put the screw here, here, and in the places that I know there is no pipelines running in this area, and we should be good. So as you can see here, we're good here, and we are covering at least where I have the cars. And maybe later I may put another pipe in this area and another one in that area, so that way I can extend it a little bit longer. But even it will cover the roof, and it will make your life or your house a little bit cooler. Maybe I can add another. I think they're called these fabric. I think they are like shade, half shade, or something like that. I know that is how they call it in Spanish. I don't know in English. But if you extend it, to the roof, you're going to have another layer of protection. If you paint the roof in white, it's amazing. I mean, it's going to be way cooler. So now I'm walking barefoot, as you can see here. And it's not burning my feet or anything like that. So, and I tried, I'll make a test in another video. So if you walk in that area where there is no paint, you're going to get burned. So the difference in temperature is crazy. So this helps a lot. So I tried, and also I did another measurement from inside of the house in the garage. So where I don't have the paint is like 15 degrees Fahrenheit higher than the place where I have the paint. So the paint helps a lot. So now I'll show you how I did it in the other end, so that way you can do the same. So as you can see, this is from here on the floor, and you will see that it's covering the car, the motorcycle fully. The thing is, as soon as the earth is moving, so the sun will shine on the floor in different spots. So that is why I want to add a little bit more of shades on the other side. And we should be good. So at least, you see, I have my camera there. And I'm going to show you everything. So at least in my case, I have this wall, but if you don't have one, you can build one. Otherwise, if you see the neighbors, they don't have a wall. There are many neighbors without a wall. So if you see here, no wall. So you're going to need one, or maybe you can, if you buy a stick that is longer than 10 feet, maybe 20 feet, it might be enough. Otherwise, build a wall. It's not going to be that difficult. So as you can see in this case, I don't know if it was a drunk driver or something like that. I have it in camera. So he came from here and crashed on my, well, this is absurd, but that is what happened. So it was like 2 days ago, and I have to work on this and fix it. But for now, that is the way it is. So I put this piece of lumber here, this wood, so that way it will be, at the right distance. I'll show you in the right place, so that way you see. For instance, here is normal, so you see is straight here, just fine. I put this shim here, we're good. I did the same thing here. So basically on this area, I use three quarters of the pipe, so that way it's stronger. On the top, I use 1/2 inch, and I bought the roll of wire, like I told you before. It comes with everything that you need. Also, you may buy some hose clamps, and you put them there just to keep this in place. And this wire is extremely light, and you can use the elbow from 3/4 to 1/2 inch, and here a T from 3/4 to 1/2 inch. I did the same thing in the other side, thinking, okay, maybe I can extend it in the future over there, and that's it. So, but as you can see, the shade is very good. It would be nice maybe to close those small gaps over there, but other than that, is pretty good. Maybe I can work on that later. And that is all you're going to need. So the struts over there, just make sure that you don't damage the AC. These few wires, and that's it. In one day, it can be done very, very easily. So this is before I made it a little bit smaller, but if you want to use this instead of putting it, against this, if you want to use this, you put it here. I had it here, as you can see before, but I changed my mind and I extended it a little bit longer, so that way I have more shade. But other than that, that is all you need. So I am in Phoenix, Arizona. If you want me to help you, just let me know. All my information is in the video description. Otherwise, if this idea was good for you, just let me know as well. Just make sure that when you run the wires, make sure the wires are under the shade, so that way it will keep everything, from falling. Other than that, that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Are some of the things that you're going to need. So in Spanish, they call it half shadow, and here they call it black shade, or half shadow, yes. So this is, you're going to have at least 50% of the light through this. So basically you have a 15 by 20, 10 by 20. You have different measurements, so it depends on what you want to cover. So this is what you're going to need. If you want, I can leave you in the video description everything. Also, if you want to go on my channel in the playlist, I have everything organized by topics if you want to learn something else. Here is the wiring. So 800 feet is a lot, and it doesn't come with much variety, but it says 300 pounds is more than enough. You're not going to utilize that for this black shadow that I just told you before. Also, I bought smaller rolls before, so if you want, you can buy whatever you want. You have different thickness, so at least 1/16 inch was more than enough. In the beginning, I bought this, and I thought, okay, maybe it's going to be enough, 164 feet, but it wasn't. So with this, you have all the accessories that you're going to need. So I would recommend you to buy these if you can. Otherwise, buy the accessories that you're going to need, just to hold the wire in place. Later, if you want, you can buy a black pipe, or you can use the Unistrut. The Unistrut, I like it because it was going to cost about the same, and you have more accessories, so if you want to fix it in any other way. So basically that's it. So if you want to keep learning, again, you can go to the playlist. I have all my content organized by topics, so I'll show you so that way you can see. And I'll leave you in the video description the link so that way you can buy everything business. And if you want me to do it for you, I can do it for you. Just you can hire me. So if you go here, you can see I have hundreds of video testimonials. Go here to the playlist and you have all my videos over here organized. Thank you for watching and see you next time.